What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dubai Tamilan's YouTube channel, and my name is Yeshi. Vanakkam to all my Tamilans. Alright, guys, I'm sure you guys might be thinking, why am I wearing this mask? This mask is a part of our dress code, maybe for the next couple of months or weeks, maybe days. I will surely share with you guys why am I wearing the mask today and what's the reason behind this. So guys, I want you guys to watch this video till the end. I'm going to share you an important information that I saw and noticed in Dubai. That's the reason why I'm wearing the mask. Watch this video till the end. Let's go straight to the video. I'm sure you guys might be thinking, why is my mask very strong and it looks effective? The reason is because the mask has another layer inside. Wait, I will share with you guys. Alright guys, let me say you why first I'm wearing this mask. This is the mask I wear, and this is washed twice a day whenever I go down or go out, or my wife goes out to buy anything for the house. And this is washed and kept with us, and we have another pair of this so that in case we feel we're in a long run, like for example, if we had work for 8 or 9 hours and we need to change the mask remains the same, but this cloth will be changed. So it's easy for us to have more fresh air coming back in. And I don't know, this is my type of an idea. If you have that disposable mask, it's also good, but I personally prefer using this because I wash this then and now. So that's one thing, and now it will be washed after this. So the reason why I was wearing a mask, that's a very nice thing which I want to share with you guys. Now you guys know that Dubai have opened most of the things, and they have given these rules and regulations where you have to stand here, you have to have this distance when you're traveling, when you're in the metro, when you're in the bus, the malls, every information. Yeah. If I see 100 of them in a street, at least 95 people, I'm happy, they're wearing the mask. 5 people, they're not bothered at all about the mask. They're not bothered about what's happening. I'm not going to name which nationality they are and this and that, no. But guys, you all have to understand, those who doesn't care about this, who does not know the seriousness about this, you guys have to really get serious. And if you're not going to wear the mask, if you're in the streets or in the mall or in a shop, and if the police sees you, you're fined 1,000 dirhams. If you have the money, you pay it. And it's not about the money. It's about how to keep yourself safe from this virus. If you're not going to wear the mask, that virus might come to you. And with that virus, you're going to go back home. You're going to have a good time with your family, with your kids, and it's easily going to spread. The reason why they're asking us to wear a mask is for us to be safe and to avoid getting infected by this virus. I personally, I think from the time lockdown started here in UAE, I personally spoken to people. Thank God, they have listened, and some of them have gone back home, some of them have gone to buy a mask, and some of them have said, okay, next time I will surely wear a mask. But now, I think they should really feel that responsibility by their own self instead of people saying them or the police catching them. The Dubai police has given strict information that you guys have to wear a mask. Whether you're coming out from your house, whether you're going down to buy a soda or a fresh juice, whether you're going to the grocery, supermarket, mall, bank, ATM, anywhere. If the Dubai police sees you without a mask, you are fined 1,000 dirhams. That 1,000 dirhams, I don't know how much it's going to affect you guys, but if you're not bothered about even paying that, then you should be bothered about your health. The reason why they're saying you to wear the mask is because that virus doesn't affect you and it doesn't spread. Simple as that. So guys, I really want you all to respect this. It's not only in Dubai, it's for Ajman, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Al Quwain, Abu Dhabi, all over UAE. Why? All over the world. UAE, India, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, anywhere in the world. You guys have to wear the mask. It's very, very important. So this is why I wanted to wear the mask and show you guys that I respect that decision. I respect that order which was given by WHO and the order which was given by the UAE government, the authorities, the Dubai police, Sharjah police, Ajman police, Abu Dhabi police, everyone. So you guys have to wear the mask. So it's good to see that a lot of places have been reopened. And it's very nice to see that a lot of families are out after the fasting is done. And in the same time, like I always say, you guys have to be very careful. The government, the ruler, the authorities are given permission for us to travel out, to see the mall, to go there and to get fresh air, go to the restaurant and all that stuff and all. But in the same time, never forget, social distance is a must. Please wear the mask. Mainly if you take a child out, a teenager, a baby, please avoid them taking them out. Or make sure the teenager and the child wears a mask. I am again noticing this. It's a request. You guys have to put a mask for the child. So guys, thank you so much for all the messages which you guys have been sending for the past few days, mainly after this Dubai police appreciated my work. I'm so happy to get these type of loving messages, not only from one nationality, from all of you all. Like I always say, everyone is equal and everyone is united here. And I'm so happy I'm getting messages from people who I never even dreamt I will get a message from. So thank you so much for that. And yes, I will be continuing this awareness throughout till UAE announce there's not even one human having COVID-19. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please guys, I just want you guys to take this very serious. Please wear the mask. Like I already showed you, there are different ways of wearing mask. Unless you're protected, that's fine. If you want to buy a good quality one, you can buy. And in the same time, if you want to use, and I feel comfortable wearing this cloth one, which sometimes I wear this cloth inside to protect it more powerfully. And sometimes I also use tissues. Sometimes I use the baby's wet wipes. So, to keep that moist and to keep, to be nice. So that's the reason why I use this one. I don't spray it, never spray it. Let it be fresh, let it be clean. It's good. So this is my opinion, guys. If you like it, use it. If you don't like it, please forget it. This is just my opinion. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video till now. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're living in UAE, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that any video I post, you guys will get a notification. And share this video with your family and friends if you can. Give me a like if you like this video and give me your comments about this video in the comment section below. Very soon, very, very soon, most probably today itself, Ramesh Galal, the Egyptian comedian, the Egyptian prankster, the #1 Arab prankster, his review, and there's another person I'm going to review who's doing a lot of good things in this world, mainly in the Middle East. So guys, stay tuned. I will watch you as soon as possible with another vlog very soon. And at the same time, watch all my videos. Ma salam ya Malim. Ramadan Kareem, guys.